This is the Deagostini Zippo collection. This is the box you get with it. And fit 20 in each case. And you've got 4 cases, which is 80 lighters. Now let's show you the lighters. That's the first issue, then the second, third, fourth, fifth, so on, so on.
Do you have... What? Your door's actually open, shit. Any black marker pens?
No.
Can I have a sharp knife then?
What knife do you want?
A sharp knife to cut into that big fucking huge pumpkin.
Pumpkin,
Don't want any good ones, which you don't want broken, but something was going to get into a pumpkin.
like that? Do you want that?
Yeah, that'll do.
That'll do? Alright, yeah, that'll do. Don't let the door then. But anyway, carrying on. That's one of my favourite ones, the moon landing one. Quality that one. Well, when my other 2 zippos come, I'll take a video and I'll put them up. If you've got any suggestions, just tell me what you want a video and I'll try to do it. Until next time, bye.